like to clean? Go clean. Do the cleaning. Very good.
Sick on the job, but still cleaning. Gotta love it.
What are you doing? Are you cleaning? Thank you. Thank you, Gina. Come clean over here. Yep, move that chair out of the way. Very good. That's good. You're strong, Gina. Oops. Oop. Yep, move that chair.
Come lift it up.
Yep, pick it up.
Use that strength. There you go.
There you go. Very good. Yep, move it. You
out
gotta
of the way.
sweep under there. Gotta get under the table. Yep. Yeah, you're cleaning the floor. That's right.